Hello everybody, I'm Swimmingly Kevin Collects here, and I found this at my local card shop, a little secret lair called Monstrous Magazines. Just wanted to see, I don't even know what that means. Let's see what that is. It has 5 cards in here. Let's see, for being part of a secret lair. Ooh. Let's see. Oh, that looks sick. Look at that. Horrors from the plains. Or from across the plains. Oh. Ravenous Chupacabra. Creature Beast Horror. Doom Whisperer. Coma Cosmo Serpent. These things look sick! Man! Whoa. Marzi Cruel Death Priest. Legendary Creature Insect Shaman. Whoa. That was our 4th card. We're coming into our last 2 cards. Eril the Mist Stalker. Legendary Creature Beast. And then Reclamation Sage. Wow. All the other ones were cool. In just a normal, I guess, extended art, I think, of an elf shaman. Well, thanks for watching. If you like content similar to this, and also tell me if leave a comment. And well, like and subscribe if you like content similar to this. Thank you.